Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Janiece, or Miss Janiece. And today we are going to do a full swatch of this Kaleidoscope palette. This is from the Profusion palette, which is like, I've only seen it in Walmart, but of course they do have a website. So this palette cost, I believe, like $17 and some change. It is a 42 shade palette. It's pretty big, as you guys can see. I believe these over here are like contours, and then we have some pressed glitter down here. So let's get into this video. Hopefully it's pretty quick, pretty straight to the point, and then my next video will be me actually testing out this palette. Okay, so one thing I do like about it is this isn't too flimsy. I will say, like, it stays in put where you do put it. And then there's also a clear little film over top of everything, and you can see that it's taped down. So I do like that as well. So I decided to turn my light up just to give you guys some true color definition with these shadows, especially like the glitters and things like that. I want to make sure everything looks really, really good and true to color. And so as I'm doing it, you'll hear me doing that, which is basically me playing with the makeup wipes to wipe off everything. So I think I am going to go row by row, so like 4, 4, 4, 4. So like that, which again is going to be pretty quick. So we're going to do mellow, latch, echoes, and blue ice. So here are mellow, latch, echoes, and blue ice. The blue is really pretty. Spangle, carving, irreplaceable, and afterthought. So here is spangle, carving, irreplaceable, and afterthought. Now carving was a little patchy for me. It was a little hard to get off and on there, but like the shimmers, they doing their thing. Okay, they're pretty soft, and the blue ones so far are pretty soft and manageable as well. Next up we have Witty, Clarity, Adore, and Marina. So here's Witty, Clarity, Adore, and Marina. Now Adore on these ones was a little bit hard as well. What I think is those ones are just pressed a little harder. They do eventually, you know, spread out and everything like that, but I think those ones are just pressed a little bit harder. So next we have Timeless, Alive, Memories, and Deceiver. This is what these ones are looking like. Again, this is Timeless, Alive, Memories, and Deceiver. Timeless looks like it is a dual chrome. Everything else is a shimmer, and Alive is a matte. Next row is Provider, Beat, Marvel, and Thunder. So here is Provider, Beat, Marvel, and Thunder. Now the same with Beat and Marvel. Those were a little harder pressed, but as you can see, they blended out like really good. And Thunder is so pretty. Like, I love blue, and to get a blue that pigmented, yo, on a dark skin girl, well, I wouldn't say dark skin, but I'm a brown, you know, I'm on the darker side of brown. Yeah, so there's those. Next colors that we have is Buttercup, Fuego, Hypnotize, and Fern. And I really like the way that they have everything like set up like in fours, kind of, you can see, and also like a gradient. So if like this palette is gonna make everything like have a blendable counterpart, if that makes sense. So here is Butterscotch, Fuego, Hypnotize, and Firm. These ones are pretty much all mattes. Buttercup has a little bit of glitter, but you can barely tell. Like, you can barely tell it has glitter, but those are really, really pretty. So our next batch is Formation, Heat Wave, Heartbreaker, and Supercut. So here is Formation, Heat Wave, Heartbreaker, and Supercut. well, I'm sorry, it's Heat Wave, guys. Heat Wave was a little difficult, but like I said, it just seems like some of them are just pressed a little bit harder. But yo, when I talk about pigment, like, look, that's crazy. Next up, we have Safari Empire Groove, which is pretty. Groove looks real good. Groove and Intention. So here we have Safari Empire Groove and Intention. Now Groove is like almost like a glitter the way it comes up. But yeah, these like glitter. I like that. Like it has the hints of glitters in there. I don't know if you can see them. It's like blue, a little bit of white in there, a little bit of pink. All right, let's get to these contour colors on the side. I'm not 100% sure if these are contours or not. For me, changes might work a little bit if it's like wintertime. I would say that if it's like wintertime, changes will probably work for me. But everything else will be eyeshadow for me. These for me, like I said, these are probably eyeshadows, some type of transition situation. So we got Comfy, Tarte, and Russet. I will say though, like these ones on the side, you can see my fingerprints in them. But these ones on the side are way softer than anything else. So Russet, no, not Russet, I'm sorry. Changes would not be a contour color for me. It'll probably be a good transition shade. And why I keep thinking this is Russet? Changes is the bottom shade, so it's more of a red situation. Russet could even be like a transition shade for me. And I would probably use Tarte if I'm doing like a yellow or orange look. So there's those. So for the part that I've been waiting for, because I like the glitter eye look and things like that, and I'm pretty sure these can probably be used for other things, but we are going to do Extravaganza, Stardust, Euphoria, Sunburst, Captivity, and OMG. Now with these ones, I'm going to swatch them a little bit different because like I said, I really like glitter and things like that. So we're going to swatch these ones one by one, and I want you guys to see like a live version versus how I've been doing it. So I am going to come over and touch. These are super ass, like these are crazy soft, like. So there's that, and I am going to here is that one. So that is like a holographic glitter. So yeah, lighting up a little bit. I made it more of a white light because I want you guys to really see the color. Now the only thing, of course, with glitter, it's hard to get off, but hey, it's glitter. So Extravaganza was like a holographic. Stardust looks almost like a copper light, but like I said, guys, they're super soft. So here's what it's looking like, almost like a copper / rose gold situation. And then this one, I could actually feel the glitter with that one. So it looks silver, but it's like silver and like coppery rose gold mixed together. Okay, so next up we have Euphoria, which is a pretty blue glitter. But there is, I believe that's like pink or maybe purple reflex in there. Sorry, I hit the thing. So this one is pretty as soft as the first one. Stardust wasn't as soft as this one, but this one is a little bit chunkier. You can see the other reflex in it that way. So yeah, that one is nice. So it's like dual chromey too, because right there you can see it shift. But these are like super reflective. Next we have Starburst, which is pretty gold. It does, however, have, I see some green in there and maybe a little bit of copper in there as well. Dang, I keep hitting this thing. I'm sorry, y'all. This one feels like Stardust. I will say that it feels a little harder. But oh, lordy lord, look at that. Trying to make sure I get it in frame. So, oh, yo, that one, like you can see the green when I hold it this way, and it has like brown and gold. And like, I think some of the gold is actually holographic too, but yeah, this one is, whew. That's almost done, but that's fine because this palette, like, I recommend this one for real. And I'm not even done yet. I got 2 more. So this one is captivating. It looks like a rosy gold, but it does look like it has black glitter in it as well, and maybe also a little bit of a lighter rosy gold. So, and like, they're pressed. Like, you know how some pressed glitters are super soft and you can damn near take a chunk out of them? They're pressed really good. Oh, Lord. They're pressed really, like, I wouldn't say like hard, but like pressed to where you're not losing product all the time and stuff. So you can see it's lifted up a little bit. But what I do, and what I can say, watch this. Hold on. So you see what I'm talking about, like how the black is in the back. But like, you're getting what you're putting on, if you get what I'm saying. Because sometimes when you put down things, okay, so this one has like a black base. I think that's what it is. This one has like a black base built into it. So like the gel maybe on this one has like a black base. But what I was saying is that sometimes when you're doing pressed glitters, you have so much on your finger still, and you can see how much was on my finger and how much is left. Like, it distributed the product really well. So that is a definite thumbs up for me, and all of them has been doing this exact same thing. So there hasn't been any inconsistencies with the pressed glitter. Last but not least is OMG. I think this one also has like a black base, maybe because it somewhat looks like captivating, but this one is more on the silver side. It isn't holographic like Extravaganza, or it's not as copper tone as like Stardust. So I'm thinking this one has that black base as well. So let's see what this one looks like. But yo, these are all like super ass pretty. And if you made it this far, oh, this one might actually have a little holographic in it now that I dug in it. So, oh, it does. So it's like a darker version of Extravaganza. So let's see. Yep, and it does have like black in it too. Okay, I didn't dig a lot out, so that's why this one is looking low-key spotty. But this, okay, so this one does have like, and you see again, but this one does have like black glitter in it, along with the holographic. I like this one too. Like, I like all of these. Like, real talk, like this palette, yo, like if you got 17 bucks and you want, like, I wouldn't even pay like 17 just for like the pressed glitters, but even just having, I'm sorry y'all, my birds is talking. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. But just everything with this palette, I really liked it. The only things, like I said, like Carvin, I think Adore, and Heat Wave, those were the 3 that were like the hardest or whatever, but they were still pretty easy to swatch them. But I mean, 42 different shades for 17 bucks. Like, come on, you can't beat it. And I cannot wait to actually try these on. Let me know what kind of color combination you guys want me to do when I actually demo it out on my face, because swatches are a lot different than actually testing them. I think the chromes, the dual chromes and like the shimmers do great, because I mean, it's not hard to mess those up. But I really want to see how these mattes perform. Like Thunder. Whew, Thunder is probably like my favorite, because I love blue. I love a dark, like royal light blue. I also liked Hypnotize. Hypnotize like low-key stained my arm though. You can't see it now. But like Hypnotize, super pigmented. So yeah, let me know down below what kind of look you guys want me to have or do. I'm thinking, I'm actually thinking these, like this for? Something with that. Like, I think that'd be crazy. And so let me know if you agree. Again, if you made it this far, I know you've already liked it. I know you've already dropped me some type of look idea. And I know you're subscribed. If not, what you waiting out on? Okay, it's your girl, MsJaniece. I'm signing off. And as per usual, peace, love, and happiness. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.